I was really excited to get these headphones sent to me to check out because I had read the reviews about how comfortable they are. And I gotta say that I'm really picky about headphones, but these absolutely didn't disappoint. So one of the best things about these headphones is how comfortable they are. The earpieces are made out of memory foam, and this top part is adjustable, so it really adjusts to the size of your head. The fabric on the earpieces is also breathable, so they stay comfortable even after hours of wear. Another great thing about these headphones is that the microphone is retractable. So you can pull it out when you're using it, or to get it out of your way, it just goes right back in, out of your way when you're not using it. And there's a button on the side for fast muting and also for volume. So here's how the headphones come. Really nice, sturdy, thick box. Here are the headphones. This is really soft. It's memory foam with fabric on top. These are going to be so comfortable. And they swivel. Here's the microphone. This is bendy. Position it any way you like. And then retracts back. Really great looking headphones. I'm excited to try them out. They take about 2 hours to charge, and you can even use them while charging, which I thought was a really great feature. We have the instruction manual and cords to charge and connect. Here are the different connections it comes with. So plugging this into the USB port will automatically connect the headphones. So I love that that makes it so easy. Then there is a USB-C adapter in here as well. It connects in here. And I'm going to charge these using the USB. And I love that you can actually use the headphones while they're charging, which makes it so convenient. And the headphones may also be connected using this wired connection. Overall, not only do these headphones sound great, but they're so extremely comfortable and have so many valuable features.